Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on the C-Class, guys, right here. W204 from 2008 to 2015 model. If you're wondering, guys, how to remove or replace the side view mirror, okay, this one right there, we'll show you how to do that now. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, so with the window down, it's really helpful. Okay, we're going to come here, okay, remove the seal a little bit out of the way with a plastic removal tool now. Okay, we're going, okay, to pry the cap open, okay, and you're going to come this way now. Then you need to come this way, and in an angle towards the front there is 3 clips. Okay, let me show you where the clips are located. 1, 2, 3, and they go, okay, in these holes, okay, right here. Okay guys, and this is the tweeter. Here we can disconnect it now. Okay, with a small screwdriver, okay, you need to just pry it out. Be very careful. Okay, the wire stays here. Okay, next we're going to remove that foam piece. Okay, right here, just get it out of the way. So next, in order to remove the mirror, okay, you don't have to remove the whole door panel. Most of the cars you have to remove the door panel to unhook the wire. This one, there is a shortcut. Okay, you can pry, okay, that cap open. Okay, let me turn the light on, right here. Okay, and just pull this one out of the way. This is the door computer. Okay, right here we'll have a video for replacement of that as well. And this is, guys, 2 wires, okay, for the mirror as well. So we're going to disconnect them. You can see that middle piece, okay, that little piece right here. You need to push it in, okay, and just gently pull it out, but never put too much pressure on the wires. Be careful, okay, when you do that. Okay, one is out. One more to go. If it doesn't come out, something's not good. Okay, okay, this one still holding. Okay, right there. Okay, next we have one clip right here that we'll need to disconnect. Now you need to grab it on both sides and squish it in. Okay, and that clip will come out. Okay, okay, just like that. Perfect. Okay, you can see we can get the wires through here now. Okay, we're going to get Torx 25, okay. Right here, the star looking bit, Torx 25. We have the links in the description of the video, everything we use, guys, here. Okay, and now we have, okay, it's important to hold the mirror from that point on. And we'll need to remove 3 screws. Okay, and ours is with the blind spot detection. It has the lane assist and all that stuff, so it's a little bit more complicated wiring, but other than that everything is the same. Your mirror might just have 1 wire instead of 2. Okay, second one coming out. Remember, you have to hold it, otherwise it will fall and break. Okay, third one right there coming out. Okay, now you grab the mirror and don't pull this straight out. You need to come up. Okay, the bottom end comes out first. Okay, and then there is a groove that needs to come out. Okay, and all you have to do, okay, just get the wires, okay, through the hole here, guys. And this is the mirror. You can see how easy it is to remove and replace the mirror on that Mercedes C-Class. Okay, you put it back together in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.